I welcome all of you on Yourpedia education platform. And on this platform, you are getting the daily updates about various jobs, opportunities related to higher education, and similar options. So as of now, we are covering all the domains which are related to engineering graduates and science graduates. So the ambit is for this particular section, and in this daily update, regular update, which is at 7 o'clock in the evening, including Sunday, so 7 days 7 o'clock, the slot you should fix for regular update related to various job opportunities. Now we are in that position where nothing will miss. I mean, some students are asking that, sir, should we depend upon you for these regular updates, or is that something we will miss out? Now, it takes a lot of time for anyone to commit that yes, you can depend upon us, because you need to create that information base first. Now we have team here which is working dedicatedly on this to find out various job opportunities, various opportunities related to master courses, so that nothing is missed out. All you have to do is just watch these updates at 7 o'clock in the evening every day, including certain additional things on Sundays. Additional things on Sundays are what we know as रेगुलर जॉब धमाका, जिसको नाम दिया हुआ है, वो आपका संडे को 7 बजे जो एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन हैं वो आपको प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं. Along with that, रेगुलर दिस वीकली रैप अप, वीकली जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको एक पूरी वीक में मिली, उस सारे का एक समरी will also be presented on Sunday, so that nothing is missed out on your part also. So there are certain things which we have done. We were focusing on the jobs of central PSUs, focusing on government jobs, etc. Slowly now we are going to include state governments also. Like there is a SDO JEE jobs in, let's say, Rajasthan or Uttar Pradesh or Punjab or Himachal Pradesh. That also we are going to add now on the regular basis, so that if you are a technocrat and if you are looking for a job, let's say junior engineer, आपका assistant engineer, all these jobs in the states, state PSU, central PSU, we are going to add that also. At the same time, we are going to provide you link. We are going to provide you as much, content as possible. If there is some content which we can provide you in the form of PDF, whatever data we have collected, and you want to retain that PDF with you, we are going to provide you that also. And regular playlist will be made. So all you have to do is, if you want to know, okay, I should be updated with the jobs and the opportunities which are coming to me, you have to only watch at 7 o'clock Yourpedia, and Sunday ko additional basically some advertisements and regular wrap up. That is all you have to do, and the rest now we commit that nothing will be missed out. Entire information, every information will be provided to you on Yourpedia itself. So just subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss anything related to the jobs, career opportunities, etc. I'm very sure you will get benefited through this. If you have any advice, if you have anything to suggest, you can drop that message, you can write that, and we will try to incorporate it. All the best. Thank you.